Install bottom section centered on the front wall of the trailer flush with the floor. Use hex head screws included with the bulkhead and attach around outer perimeter of the bottom plastic unit. Screws may also be added to interior if needed. Locate the two cutouts on the top section and cut away the tabs. Cut the plastic tabs on the top Duromax. Position the top section at a 45-degree angle on top of the bottom section to engage the 3 locking tabs. Tilt the top section back into position. Place the latch in the cutout and secure with the provided self-tapping sheet metal screws into the front wall unit's side post. When installed, turn the latches to secure the top section against the front wall of the trailer.